What is up, guys? Welcome to Barrookie. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the essential pieces of home gym equipment that you need if you're just starting out your home gym. So we're going from low budget to high budget with an intermediate budget in between. And you're probably wondering, hey, didn't you do that video last week? And yes, the answer is yes. But in today's video, we're going to ask an AI to help us figure out what the best equipment is. And for that, we're going to use ChatGPT. And yes, we're going to use the free version, 3.5. I asked it, I said, hey, write a script for a YouTube video about home gym essentials per budget. The first thing he says is, exercise mat. A good quality exercise mat provides comfort and stability for floor exercises. It's a must-have and it won't cost you much. It's actually not a bad idea. It's something that we didn't include, but it's basically a good idea. Also, yes, I printed this out. We're talking about AI. We don't want them here in the home gym, so I printed it out. Conspiracy. Okay, so the next thing on the list is resistance bands. Versatile and affordable, resistance bands add resistance to bodyweight exercises and are great for strength training. Pretty good there, huh? Jump rope, an excellent cardio option that's inexpensive and space saving. Not too shabby. That's also something that I said in my low budget options. And then the fourth thing is dumbbells or kettlebells. Invest in a couple of these for resistance training. You can find budget friendly options online and even consider second-hand weights. So in the last video, I only talked about new pieces of equipment. Here they really give us advice on getting stuff secondhand, and I have not really gone the second-hand route. Never been on that market for home gym equipment because either I DIY it or I buy it. So that's basically my thing. But yes, it's actually a very good idea to search for that. The only thing that I'm missing here is a pull-up bar. I really wish they added that in. Otherwise, I think the low budget is very good. Medium budget essentials, they go with adjustable dumbbells. These can be actually very cheap as it can be expensive. If you want the fancy ones, that can be expensive. If you go for the cheaper option where you thread in some rods or just use some bolts, that can go for like 150 euros for adjustable dumbbells. Very good. Stability ball, great for core workouts and improving balance. It adds an extra element to your exercises. Wouldn't really recommend a stability ball. That could be something that you can add on later if you find that necessary. Pull-up bar, yes, a pull-up bar. Yes, a sturdy pull-up bar that fits a doorway can open up a range of upper body exercises. That's exactly what we're all about. Get those pull-ups and you can do already a lot with a floor and a wall. I said that a lot of times already. But getting a pull-up bar really opens up exercises for your upper back. Very nice. Yoga blocks and straps. So the medium budget essentials for me, I wouldn't really find a difference between that and the low tier. You can get the same stuff for the same amount of money. So I wouldn't really differentiate between these two. High budget essentials. All right, a power rack and a Smith machine. Smith machine, not really a fan of, but power rack, yes. Adjustable bench, a versatile bench that can be adjusted for various exercises. Not too shabby. And then a treadmill or stationary bike, okay, for cardio, and full-length mirrors. Okay, so home gym essentials. Get mirrors, guys. Mirrors are essential. Okay, so that's it. Just these four. So the high budget option really so what can you do with a high budget option? One, we don't have a bar or weights or dumbbells. So basically we have a bench and we have a power rack. Okay, we missed something on that. Because the high tier was really far off, what I went and did was, hey, ChatGPT, write me a script for a YouTube video about home gym essentials for strength training per budget. And I was hoping that maybe we could narrow it down and get more what we need from ChatGPT. So yes, low budget essentials. So basically what we're talking about here is resistance bands, adjustable dumbbells, a stability ball, and a pull-up bar. Okay, we're getting somewhere. I wouldn't say this is really low budget, but resistance bands, a pull-up bar, those are going to get you already a lot further. And adjustable dumbbells, if you get affordable ones, that could go for low budget. Medium budget, kettlebells, weight bench, barbell and plates, and a fitness mat. I can get behind that. You spend a little bit more money and you get decent strength training equipment, okay? We don't have a power rack or anything like that yet, but we can already do a lot. And even if we have a bench and a barbell, we can still put that barbell onto ourselves and do whatever kind of exercise with light weight.
Yeah, buddy! Lightweight!
Okay, now onto the high budget essentials. So a power rack, again, I really love that. Get a power rack if you have some money to spend. Olympic barbell and bumper plates, that's basically what I said if you go to the high-end tier of the high budget. And then a dumbbell set with rack. A complete set of dumbbells with a rack adds convenience and versatility to your workouts, especially for targeting muscle isolation. So yes, if you have a lot of space and a lot of money, I would go with dumbbells, a dumbbell rack as well. That is so much easier. Yes, having power blocks or new bells is great, but if you just have the place and whatever, you can just pick up the weight, that's definitely easier. Okay, and then a cable machine, obviously. For a wide range of cable exercises, consider a cable machine. It provides constant tension and full range of motion. No, it's not there. For muscle engagement throughout the entire range of motion. Okay, yes. There you have it, guys. Home gym essentials by ChatGPT. So basically, if you ask the right questions, you can get the right answers. Actually, it delivers. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. I hope you got something out of it. Are you using ChatGPT on the regular? Do you think it's a tool or something that's just a gimmick? Let me know in the comments down below. And I guess I'll be seeing you all in the next video. Peace!